We're going to look at how to use shapes in repeat signage. So for a start, I'm going to click on Insert and Insert Shape. And you've got various options: circle, rectangle, rectangle rounded, which has got the nice rounded corners, triangle, etc. So all I'm going to do for a start is I'm going to select all triangles fine. I can change the colour here, so we'll just show you that. So change colour. And you've got three colour options. You've got a solid colour where you just choose a single colour, so I could say change this to red, okay. Or I can do a gradient colour where I click on the gradient option and you specify two colours and it goes from the first colour to the second colour, and you can go in various directions on here as well. And the third option is actually pattern, which just gives you a few pattern options as well. Gradient is quite nice. I'm just going to click on OK, and then OK again to add that to my screen. Now once it's on screen, I can drag and move it anywhere I want, resize it. So that's very quickly how to actually add a shape to screen. Now let's add another one. I'm going to click on Insert, Insert Shape, and I'm going to stick with that blue colour and click on OK. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to use this to create a border for my presentation. So I'm just resizing it to roughly about that size, dragging it to the bottom corner. Now I'm right mouse clicking, size, screen width. So that gives me a nice bottom border. And if I right mouse click that now and click on duplicate, drag it to the top, that's actually giving me quite a nice border for a presentation. Now all I'm going to do now is click on Insert and Text Block, and I'll put this is a nice triangle. Okay. Just resize this a little bit, put it here. Now you can see that using the shapes, especially for borders at the top and the bottom, gives a really nice sort of like a effect to the presentation. If I click on View and Preview, I mean that's quite a nice effect. One thing about shapes though is when you double click them and you look at the top corner, it says Edit Existing Text Control. Now a shape control is just a text control without any text in it, but I can add text. Now at the bottom bar, it's often nice to actually put a website address in. Please visit www.repeatsoftware.com. Now if I click on OK to that, you can see, because it is actually a text control, you can actually add text to any of these shapes as well, which is quite a useful feature.